Hey, back again with Albatosma, and today we're gonna review the Zerg Hydralisk from Starcraft. How does it look? Here's the front look of it. This figure is made from Blizzard Entertainment, and I think it released on 2003. This figure is 23 years old. Can you guys believe it? They can make this figure with those details more than 2 decades ago. If you've ever played the Starcraft, you must know this Zerg. This is one of the iconic monsters on the game. Here's the look of its back. And it's quite steady. And let's take a look of his right side. Okay. I'm kinda lucky to have this figure. Very lucky. Because it's kinda hard to find this one. Let's see the articulation. Can move the head like that. And we can move the jaw and the outer jaw like that too. The hand articulation. And let's see, we can move the body. Yes, but if you move it to the side, it cannot stand firmly. The tail, nope, cannot be moved. Can move up and down like that. And let's check the measurement. The height is 20 centimeter. 20. Let's check the length. The length is about 11 centimeter. Yes. And check the width. It is 22 centimeter. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and always keep collecting. See you guys around.